Federation of FoH has urged the centre to disclose the detailed programs and policies for internally displaced persons in Manipur. The Federation has raised strong questions over the centre's failure to adopt specific policies for those displaced by the ongoing violence in Manipur, asking whether the people of the state are not citizens of India. In a statement issued by Publicity Secretary Henba, the organization expressed deep concern that several displaced individuals have taken their own lives or died due to mental distress, alleging that the centre's delay in taking concrete measures has worsened their suffering. The statement further questioned what steps the centre has taken for those who have lost their lives, remarking that such prolonged inaction reflects a discriminatory outlook towards the people of Manipur. The Federation urged the centre to either act decisively or openly admit its inability before the international community, emphasizing that the people are waiting for the promises made to be translated into real action.